Alright gentlemen, hello. We have a different type of video for you guys today. I know usually 99.9% of my videos I'm right here. You guys get the overhead shot of seeing what I'm doing. I'm not really the star of my own video, and I do it that way for a reason. I don't want to be. I'm here to do reviews on different tools, show off different tools, show off different items. There's no need for me to be in the background, but I had some nice comments, some nice messages from people wondering more about me, what this channel is. The channel still is kind of in its infancy. We're all kind of learning along here with what we're doing. I know I am with what I want this channel to be. It's just for fun. I'm not looking to be, I say this many times on my YouTube videos, I'm not looking to be rich and famous over this. I know it's many people's aspirations for YouTube, but it's not for me. It's for me to demonstrate different tools and gadgets like I've been doing in my past, couple dozen videos. And, I've been taking a lot of things off YouTube. I've been learning a lot over the past decade or so. And I just felt like it's time for me to give back. It's something I enjoy doing. It's a hobby. If I do make a couple bucks off of it, so be it. But I can promise this to you guys is my number one goal and aspiration for this channel is just to be educational, but even more so just entertainment. You might be one of those guys like me who looks online and, on Amazon, hey, here's a Milwaukee M18. How good is it? You can go on Google and look at reviews, but do you know if they're true, if they're fake, if someone's buying them off? I can guarantee I bought this, everything here behind me in this shop with my own money. Nothing sponsored. I'm not getting any type of kickbacks. I do post links on Amazon for my products that I put on there. But if you know anything about Amazon, you're getting pennies back on the dollar. I think so far since I've been doing this, I made 20 bucks total off of Amazon. And that's for hours and hours of work. And that goes to my next topic is the work part. I do want to make these videos kind of professional, but not over the top. Nothing frustrates me more on YouTube is when I watch a video, I have to sit through a big, long introduction. Sure, I have a nice new little splash screen now introduction, trying to spruce it up a little bit, make it look like I'm not some, sixth grader with his first Mac at home and learning the software. But I'm not going to have big, long introductions and big, long spiels at the beginning. I always zoom over those. There's always an ad at the beginning. This video is sponsored by DeWalt or somebody. I like it quick and to the point. You guys are busy with your time and have your own things to do. You want to learn what the video is about and get to it. The nice thing about YouTube is there's tons of data. If you're a data-driven person, you're going to love how YouTube works. You can look at all types of different data, different types of graphs. And one thing I love is viewer retention. I could see exactly when people cut off on a video. They say, that's enough. I learned what I needed to learn. I'm done with the video. I'm not going to sit and watch it 100%. I think for most of my videos, they're around 40-50%, which isn't the best, but it's kind of the standard. Even Mr. Beast, who is the number one YouTuber and my favorite YouTuber. I'm not trying to emulate him or be him, like I said, but I think his is around 88%, and even he admitted that's a crazy, crazy good statistic. So I'm going to keep things to the point. I'm not going to have anything be too flashy or over the top or highly edited. I'm sure you guys saw a lot of my videos. If I make a mistake, I leave it in there. I hate watching a YouTuber, a DIYer, doing a project, and it's just all perfect. There's no mistakes, there's no cussing, no one's banging their thumb with the hammer, everything's just flawless and perfect. That's a lie. That's not going to happen. In real life, we're going to have mistakes, we're going to cut ourselves and have errors, and everything here is great. I did lie a little bit. Before I started this video, I did kick over my tripod, but I don't think you guys want to see me falling off my or the tripod falling over. And last but not least is begging for donations. I'm not going to name any names, but there's a couple YouTubers that I do like. It's like a Jerry Lewis telethon. Just listening to, Steve, just a $5 super chat. And Tommy with $1, and it just goes off on a tangent, gets off topic. So you're not going to see many streams on here. If you do, there's going to be quick and to the point. Nothing too over the top. Definitely not begging for money. I don't even know how to accept money on YouTube right now. I think I need a lot more subscribers or view time. But just wanted to let you guys know what this channel's about and what my goals are, my ambitions are for it. Just something fun, something entertaining. You're gonna get a raw product on here. Like I said, no advertising, nothing fancy or flashy, and that's about it. But if you guys do want to subscribe, that'd be great. You know, it is nice. I'm doing this work, and people do care and do enjoy the channel. It's, you know, nice to get that feedback. Or if you don't like it, it's nice to get that feedback as well. So I said a lot about YouTube with their data. 99.5% of you guys watching these videos are not subscribed. So yeah, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, whatever. That's what the YouTubers say. I guess it helped out the algorithm, but that's about it. You guys have a good one. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.